Today, helping Susan insulate her crawl space and at the same time keeping rodents out. She has a problem with mice getting in and making her crawl space their home. So basically putting up insulation as well as spray foam insulation in all the rim joist pockets to help prevent any critters from getting in the future. Upon arriving, we talked to Susan about everything and what we were going to be doing, just went over the details with her, and then we were able to get right to work. Everything was pretty straightforward and successful. Right now we're working on insulating those rim joist pockets. We got the foam board up on the walls, so definitely about to make it a big difference down there for her. Definitely easy to talk to. She has some interesting stories and things to tell you. She's just a bundle of happiness, and I think she's very excited to get this project done so she can continue living in her forever home here. Anytime we come to a job, we always try to think of, kind of our mindset person of who we would want to take care of with the best quality of work. And knowing her situation and not having a guy around the house to kind of do these more labor-intensive jobs just makes you, feel really accomplished with what you're doing, and that you're making a big difference. When you hear these things, it just makes you want to go that extra mile.